seatbelt sign when safety it up. Your belongings should remain stowed so it's safe to reach the gate, but if your phone is closed, you can now take it out of airplane mode. With Alaska's baggage service guarantee, your bags will be at baggage claim within 20 minutes of our arrival at the gate, or see an Alaska baggage agent to receive a discount or points towards a future flight. For information about connecting flights, refer to the Alaska app or check the monitors inside the terminal. And on behalf of all of us at Alaska Airlines and the rest of our One World Alliance partners, it's been our pleasure having you on board today. A special thank you to our Atmos Rewards and Status members. It was nice to see you again. If you're not already a member, visit atmosrewards.com to join for free and start getting closer to your next travel perk or reward. And whether this is your first time flying Alaska or you fly with us often, we certainly look forward to seeing you again soon. Thanks for making us part of your journey today. Take care and welcome to Reno.